As I said, it's all about gourmet food, and for that, we're at the Pan Asian at the ITC Maratha, Mumbai, and do I have a surprise for you? It's Japanese food, but I won't tell you. Come along. An artist with food, he juggles with knives and awes his audiences with his ninja-like culinary skill. Let's go meet a chef who creates magic on the teppanyaki grill. Hello, chef. How are you?
I'm good.
Good?
Good to see you.
Okay, this is Chef Jerry, and he's a master at teppanyaki. Now, teppanyaki, as you all know, it is always done on a grill like this in front of the people who are going to eat the food. And he has not only become a great chef, he's also a great entertainer. You're going to see a little bit of it. But chef, first tell me, when did you start, doing all the tricks?
I'm started in my own place.
Okay,
In
which is
a
where?
five-star- It's in the Philippines.
Okay.
Yeah, doing cooking, live cooking.
Okay.
Interactive with the guests and doing a lot of tricks,
Okay.
entertainment like that. Okay.
Oh my God. Let's see what he has up his sleeve. So chef's put some chopped onions and chopped peppers here. A little bit of that special garlic butter. Rice which has already been cooked. Now come the eggs. Egg painting.
Yeah.
Good mix.
Here, sir. Oh, sorry. I have to flip.
Ah. Thank you so much. Okay, our rice is ready with a lot of charm and a lot of noise and a lot of tricks.
Thank you.
Now, I believe there's some more tricks with eggs and a lobster. Okay, so we are starting with some asparagus and onions,
Yeah.
mushroom, peppers. Now, also remember, Japanese food is not only about tasting good, it's also about looking good. Huh? The lobster's on, in the shell, but deshelled. Onion rings, which he is piling one on top of each other. This is an onion volcano. Whoop!
Again, sir. Lemon. One small. Okay.
I cannot believe this. This is in his pocket.
Can you hold, please?
Yes, I can hold.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, chef. Thank you. So here we are, a very magically made lobster with onions and lovely things inside. I'm going to taste this and more. Well, Chef Jerry's magical creations are now on my table, and I'm going to do the magic this time. And I'm going to finish off all the food. Let me start with the rice. And now for some of this lobster. this is pretty much as good as a teppanyaki meal can get. It's got the wonderful smokiness that the teppanyaki plate gives you. This is a lobster. Not at all overcooked, perfectly flavored. It is very nice. Some of this meat. You know, it's a tough business trying to define what gourmet is all about. But if the food is made with the utmost care, with the best of recipes and served in a beautiful fashion, for me it's gourmet. Several restaurants, limitless cuisines, and one big culinary feast. It's been a melange of exquisite gastronomic delights. For me, the true definition of gourmet food lies in the love with which it is made. The care taken to serve it, and small little things that make a perfect presentation. Well, I've had a good time. I've had my own little gourmet festival all by myself. Yes. Unfortunately, this is the end of the episode. If you want to write to us as Weekend at timesnow.tv. We're also on Facebook. Till the next time, it's bye.